Oh, Zippo, how I love thee. What's up, guys? Got 2 additional pickups today. So I realized that within my Zippo collection, most of my Zippos are some sort of a like a polished chrome or brass or whatever, and I don't have a lot of matte Zippos. So picked up these 2, and I'm gonna start picking up some more matte finished ones. So here's the first one, regular box, Zippo logo, and it is just a navy blue matte finish Zippo with the Zippo logo, and the sticker price on that is $21.95. So I got the sticker in the back. I'm gonna try engraving on some of these. I don't know what the outcome will be, but I'll keep you guys posted. So that's just a solid navy blue matte finish Zippo with the Zippo logo, and this one is the same. Oops, sorry. But in red. $21.95 is the sticker price on that as well. What I like about these is that they're not slippery. So for those of us who like to do tricks and stuff, matte finish is nice for the handling. This one is also stamped 2011. Alright, guys. Enjoy. Stay tuned. And enjoy your day. Take care.